Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Windows 10 or 11 and a Bluetooth adapter that supports low-energy devices. That matters because the DualSense uses BLE for controller features. First, charge the controller and make it discoverable by holding PS Plus Create until the light flashes rapidly. Then open Windows Settings right arrow Bluetooth and Devices and click Add Device. Once done, choose Bluetooth and look for Wireless Controller. Pairing here simply establishes a link, so the OS can install drivers and expose inputs. After selecting Wireless Controller, allow Windows to install drivers. This gives a generic HID profile. Next, make input useful. If you play through Steam, enable PlayStation configuration support in Big Picture. That maps inputs natively. If you need wider compatibility, install DS4 Windows to convert to X input and fine-tune dead zones and light bar settings. Also, keep your Bluetooth adapter drivers and DualSense firmware updated. That reduces disconnects and enables advanced features like haptic. Finally, verify operation in Steam's controller tester or an online gamepad tool. Calibrate axes and set dead zones so sticks feel natural. If you encounter input lag or dropouts, move the Bluetooth adapter away from USB 3. Zero ports, remove nearby Wi-Fi interference, or plug in a USB-C cable to use wired mode. If pairing fails, reset the DualSense with the tiny button on the back. Forget the device in Windows and repair. This often clears stale pairings and driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.